Hey, and welcome to part 4 of the platform Saga. In this video, we'll learn all about the Locations API. The Locations API is what you use to retrieve a list of locations, or regions, that you can use to create and replicate databases. There's also a handy API for detecting the closest region if you're unsure. Let's dive right in. Using the Terso platform API, we can fetch a list of locations using the API. If we head to the Locations section and go to List, and instead of the authorization header, this is where we can pass our bearer token that we created in part 2. With that added, we can then click Send, and we can see an example of the successful response. Here we get a list of all of the different locations that Terso supports that you can use to create and replicate databases to. You'll mostly be working with the 3-digit code when we go on to learn about groups in the next video. We'll use this location code when we add additional locations to our groups. There's also a handy tool that you can use to fetch the closest region. This lives on a separate URL at region.terso.io, and if we make an example request, and here we have a response that contains the server and client locations. If you're providing a way for your users to create databases with this API, you can use this closest region endpoint to detect their closest region, and you could provide a way for them to create a database in this location, so it's closest to them, providing a better developer experience. If you'd like to learn more about how locations work with Terso, we can go to the Concepts section, and we can see here for locations that we have primary and replicates. All databases with Terso have a primary location where that data is stored, and this can't be changed. You can also replicate data to other regions by adding more locations using that API to the group, and that's what we'll learn in the next video.